Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star property.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also.
As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here.
You can see the of reviews of this property. You can go to Bhumika.com. Its review rating is 4.8, which is the disappointing. Room category 1 is like room size, bed type, highlight, amenities, and next we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it.
The location of the property is good and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description. If you have any problem with this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you.
For booking with more details about this resort, please follow the description link. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comment.
If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you.